Today I have this cool gadget with me. It's Doctor.com Smart Mini UPS. I bought this recently from Amazon, and it's amazing product, guys, which lets you, power your router for around 6 hours if in case you don't have electricity at your home at that moment. And before I'll come to main unit, let's have a look at key specifications. So you can refer this part, and you can even pause this video there for your reference. And coming to on-box MRP and its manufacturing details, basically it's made in China product. MRP is 2499, but it's during the sale time you can just buy it for 1799. So just go ahead, if you're planning to buy something like this, just plan it as soon as possible. Let me keep it aside. So coming to contents, so we get one user manual. Let me focus there. It shows how to connect. So let me also show you this part. So it's even mentioned there how to do installation. So one part needs to be connected with your router, one part goes to your Doctor.com UPS as the given voltage and amp requirement, and one part needs to be connected with this Smart Mini UPS to charge it if in case power goes. So all this, let me keep it aside, let's not waste much time. And coming to accessories, so we get this USB to DC and some other converter and cables. Let me take it out, they already came out. So we get two cables, and here are converters. So that's all as an accessories. Let me keep it aside. Now finally coming to this main unit. So it comes inside this folder. So in hand feel is good, and it feels strong, but as we haven't tested its durability, so it's not right to say that it's a durable product. So as usual we get three ports. One is to charge this Smart Mini UPS, you can charge it via this in cord, and other two is given there. And for your reference, you can also refer the, so if your router supports 12 volt, just connect with this port. If router supports 9 volt, connect with this port. If in case you just want to charge your smartphone, you can also do it with this Smart Mini UPS, which other alternate in this price they are not providing. That is the reason I have just gone ahead with it. If in case my smartphone needs to be charged, that's also possible with this Smart Mini UPS. So coming to functionality, so let me press it twice. Yes, here it is. So there are 4 LED indicators which indicates battery level, and let me turn it off. So it supports your set-top box, routers, and anything which can be easily connected with this DC routers. However, I have tried my piano, but that isn't possible with it. I think that's not with the current requirement, but you can charge your smartphone. That's really great thing, which other alternative is not providing at this price point. And I'm sorry, at this price point. But considering its price and other products at this price range, I think it's not justifiable to buy it for 2000. We can easily buy power bank, but the problem with the power bank, that doesn't support router, I mean that doesn't let your router power on. and that is only possible with this router. So it's really great if you just want to buy it for a business purpose, if in case you are attending any meeting and electricity outage is there, so you can definitely go with this product. I strongly recommend because of that is not misleading figures, and that is somewhere around 6 hours. So it seems so honest that doctor.com is really giving the power backup. I have tried their customer support as well, and they are even responsive, so that is also great. The only con which I found with this product, it's made in China as usual. So we do have problem with Chinese products, but we are kind of used to those products. I mean, so we cannot get rid of them completely. And whereas coming to other parts, like I uh, I strongly recommend this who face shortage of electricity. This product is a lifesaver, and I will leave the link below the description. You can buy this product, and if you're watching, thanks a lot.